Welcome back to Uncovered Mysteries. For centuries, tales of lost gold and hidden fortunes have captivated our imagination. From ancient relics to stolen fortunes, these treasures are more than just riches. They are time capsules of history, sealed by violence, betrayal, and the unrelenting forces of nature. Today, we're counting down 5 of the most legendary lost treasures that have lured explorers and adventurers to their doom. Number 1. The Treasure of the Flor de la Mar. Our first story begins on the high seas. The year is 1511. The Portuguese carrack, the Flor de la Mar, was a majestic ship, but she was notoriously difficult to maneuver. After the conquest of Malacca in modern-day Malaysia, her commander, Afonso de Albuquerque, loaded her with the spoils of war. This wasn't just gold and silver, it was the largest treasure the Portuguese fleet had ever assembled, but the ship's known flaws, combined with a fierce storm off the coast of Sumatra, sealed its fate. The Flor de la Mar broke apart and sank, taking its legendary cargo to the bottom of the ocean. It's estimated to be worth billions in today's money, including the personal fortune of Afonso de Albuquerque and a massive tribute from the King of Siam. Despite countless expeditions, the wreck has never been definitively found. Is it simply too deep, or is its location protected by a curse from the sea? Number 2. The Lost Dutchman's Gold Mine. Our next treasure takes us from the ocean to the treacherous desert. The Lost Dutchman's gold mine is said to be hidden somewhere in the unforgiving Superstition Mountains of Arizona. The legend centers on a German immigrant named Jacob Waltz, who was known as the Dutchman. In the 1870s, Waltz reportedly discovered a fabulously rich vein of gold. He would mysteriously appear in town with saddlebags full of ore, but would never reveal the mine's location. Before his death in 1891, he is said to have given cryptic clues to a neighbor. Since then, hundreds of people have tried to find the mine, and many have vanished or died under mysterious circumstances, earning the mountain a sinister reputation. Is the mine real? Or is it just a deadly myth? Number 3. The Treasure of Lima. This next story sounds like it's ripped straight from a pirate movie. In 1820, as revolution brewed in Lima, Peru, the city's vast wealth collected by the Catholic Church for centuries was ordered to be shipped to Mexico for safekeeping. The treasure was immense, including chests of gold and silver coins, and a solid gold, life-sized statue of the Virgin Mary holding baby Jesus. The British captain trusted with the task, a man named William Thompson, couldn't resist. He and his crew killed the guards and priests and sailed away with the fortune. He allegedly buried it on the remote Cocos Island off the coast of Costa Rica before being captured. He and his first mate promised to reveal the treasure's location in exchange for their lives, but they escaped into the jungle, leaving the location of the treasure lost forever. To this day, the treasure, now worth over $200 million, remains unfound. Number 4. The Amber Room. Our fourth mystery is a treasure that isn't made of gold, but of a different kind of shimmering wealth. The Amber Room was a priceless chamber created in the 18th century for the Catherine Palace near St. Petersburg, Russia. Its walls were completely adorned with panels of amber backed by gold leaf. It was considered the 8th wonder of the world. In 1941, during World War II, the Nazis invaded the Soviet Union. They looted the palace, meticulously dismantled the Amber Room, and shipped it to Königsberg Castle. But as the war turned against Germany in 1945, the room was once again dismantled and hidden. Its whereabouts since then have been a complete mystery. Was it destroyed in an Allied bombing raid, hidden in a secret bunker, or sunk on a ship? No one knows. Number 5. The Treasure of the Knights Templar. Our final treasure is perhaps the most famous and enigmatic of all. When the Knights Templar were disbanded by King Philip IV of France in 1307, the most powerful military and financial organization of the Middle Ages simply vanished. The Knights were arrested, but their immense wealth, including their fleet of ships, was never found. What was the treasure? Legends say it included not just gold and jewels, but sacred relics, like the Holy Grail or the Ark of the Covenant, discovered during their time in Jerusalem. The Templars had ample warning and likely had a plan. Some believe the treasure was sailed to Scotland, others that it was buried under Oak Island in Canada, or even that it was handed down through a secret society. Was it simply dissolved, or is it still out there, waiting for the right person to discover it? These are just a few of the world's greatest lost treasures. They inspire adventurers and historians alike, reminding us that some of history's most valuable secrets are still waiting to be found. What do you think happened to these lost fortunes? Let us know which one you would hunt for in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey, be sure to like this video, subscribe to Uncovered Mysteries, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure.